In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook for Windows. Whether you're handling personal correspondence or managing professional communication, Outlook provides a comprehensive platform to streamline your email experience. Let's start by opening Outlook on your Windows PC. To do this, simply find the Outlook icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and click it to launch the application. Once it's open, you'll be prompted to sign in. Here, you'll need to enter your details. First, type in your email address in the designated field. This could be any of the supported email providers like Gmail, Outlook.com, Yahoo, or even your Microsoft 365 work or school accounts. After entering your email, you'll need to provide your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. If for some reason you're experiencing difficulties signing in, it may be worth double-checking that your caps lock key isn't mistakenly enabled or that your credentials are up to date. Once you've entered these details, complete the sign-in process by clicking the Sign In button, and you should now be well positioned to dive into the features that Outlook offers. Outlook is a versatile email client allowing you to manage multiple email accounts from different providers in one application. You can add multiple accounts following the same sign-in steps we just covered. Whether you're using Gmail for personal emails and Microsoft 365 for work, having all your correspondence in one place benefits you by not having to switch between different applications or websites. Simply navigate through the application regularly, and you'll find yourself adapting to the interface quite naturally. In case you encounter any obstacles with signing in, remember that the Outlook support feature is available to help solve any issues you might be experiencing. It's a good resource to keep in mind if you find yourself stuck. And there you have it. With these instructions, signing in to Outlook for Windows should be straightforward. Outlook not only allows you to access your emails quickly and efficiently, but also supports calendar scheduling, contact management, task tracking, and more. It's designed to make your communication seamless, whether in work settings or in your personal life. Exploring beyond these basic sign-in steps, you'll soon notice how customizable and robust this software is. From managing your inbox with folders and categories to setting up automatic replies and organizing meetings, the usability and productivity enhancements offered by Outlook are endless. So take a little time to explore its features as you become more familiar with the application. Your efficiency will surely benefit from it.